So welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to see how you can create Google Forms for free. So ensure you have to start with, ensure you have a Google account. Then you click on this hamburger menu here and scroll down. Select Forms, the drop down menu. So there are different templates you can use. So we're going to start with a blank form. First of all, you have to type to it, add a title to it. Street name details. So you now have to enter the details of the streets. You can add question, add import questions, add title and description, add image, add video, and add sections. So I'm going to add a bit of questions. So here it will be name, the first name, and the answer will be short here. Answer will be meant to be entered here. Then we can proceed and add second one. Second last name. So that will be how it is. Then we proceed and add another name, another. This will be home address. So we proceed and add further occupation. Proceed and add further date of birth. Continue and add further employment. Place of birth. So show security number. Details implement. So this is the form. Now you can ensure everything is you can ensure where is required. So this is the form now. Then you can add other details there, add important questions, you can add title and description, add image, add video, and add section. This is a custom. You can customize the theme, can preview. So let us preview. So this is how the form is. This is the form. It has not been published. So you can undo and undo. this here, you have to delete it. It's not part of the section, not part of what we want. So you can equally share. So as it is now, it's currently on draft. You can make a copy, move to drafts, prefill, free form, embed, and print. You can this one you can use take it embed here and put embed it on your website or on another platform. So let's click publish. Anyone with the link, you can adjust this, you can manage this, you can reduce anyone with the link. So leave it the way it is done, then click publish. So this is the form now. So we're going to fill it. So here we enter our name, Thompson C 12 mobile having enter date of birth. February 10th. Date of birth. Social security 33001. Implement data. Nice. So when you've entered your details for the form, you now click submit. You can see your response has been recorded. So we head back to details. You can see here those that details enter. You can see when you see the response there, response one. You can see it. You can see the details of the form, the detail I will enter just now. You can see it, details of employment, everything is here. You can link it to a spreadsheet. So that's it. That's how you can create Google form. Thank you for watching. Take out time to subscribe, like, and share. Comment if you have any question. Remember to use the Google link, the form. You have to share the link using creating the form. So thank you for watching.